Well, hello and welcome to another week, AVID. So, this week we're coming back. We're doing another SMART goal this week, and we're continuing our tutorials taking place on Tuesdays. So, go ahead and tackle that on Tuesday. Wednesday is a day off, and I genuinely want you to rest and recover and enjoy a true day off on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we'll have our synchronous session. We'll be able to debrief, talk about the SMART goals. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are failing one or more classes, your SMART goal needs to be about those classes or just that one class. If you are passing all of your classes, excellent, well done. Make your SMART goal about the class that you're struggling in the most. And so, taking advantage of everything that this class has to offer and all the skills that we're working on, that's also where you should be leaning with your note check and where your agenda should be focused more so than anything else, is recovering and focusing on and working on the classes that you're struggling on the most. So I hope that helps. I look forward to meeting you guys and seeing you guys all this week, and I hope you have a fantastic week. Take care. I look forward to seeing you all soon.